ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। Hari Om. We are in the Subanta Prakaranam. Ajanta Pullinga Prakarana is going on in the Subanta. We have finished Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Akaranta Pullinga Sarvanama is also over. And then the one special unique word is being discussed. And for that word, we saw Akaranta Strilinga Prakriya. And then we derived that Jara Shabda. That Jara is the one word which is related to our Nirjara Shabda. And in order to decline that Nirjara Shabda, we needed Jara Shabda, we declined it. And we saw that this Jara word is replaced by Jaras when it is followed by Ajadi Pratyaya. Pratyaya is beginning with Ach, means vowels, means at that time that Jara word will be replaced by Jaras. So it will be replaced Anyatarasam, means optionally. When it is not replaced, the common form takes place. That Jare, Jara, Jare, Jaraha, Jaram, Jare, Jaraha. But if that Adesha takes place, then Jara gets replaced by Jaras, and then Jara, Jare, Jarasau, that happens. Jarasau, Jarasah. Again, Jarasam, Jarasau, Jarasah, Jarasa. So everywhere, Jarase, Jarasaha, Jarasaha, Jarasoho, Jarasoho, Jarasam. That's how wherever the Ajadi Pratyaya is there, that Jaras Adesha takes place. Now, before we enter to the exact topic, we have already read Sutra, isn't it? We have read Sutra. Did we read Sutra in last class?
Can you share the screen?
Okay, I will share the screen. Had we read the Sutra was here?
SG.
Yeah, here is the Sutra. Jaraya Jarasanya. Yeah, we read Sutra for that Jara itself, isn't it? For Jara itself, we read. So,
SG.
now Jaraya Jarasanya, what this Sutra says, it says that replace this Jara word by Jaras when there is Ajadi Vibhakti. Correct. Now, in front of us, now we solve the Jara Shabda. Now, what is the situation? There is Nirjara Shabda. Nirjara Shabda is the place where we are supposed to work. Now, what is happening? This Nirjara Shabda is coined with Nir and Jara. So we have, in order to get this Nirjara Shabda, Nir and Jara, these two words are brought together, and then one compound word has taken place. This Nirjara is born out of this Nir and Jara. Okay. Now, what is the rule for that? The further I have mentioned those sutras. Either we can take that nirjara, means these two words can be brought in two ways together. One is nishkrantah, this is one vigraha, or nirgata jara yasmat. In these two senses, the one who has crossed old age or the one from whom the jara, the old age, has gone away. These are the two senses. And in these two senses, what will happen? This nir and jara will come together and word will be coined nirjara. So first it will come in this form, nir plus jara, nirjara. After doing samasa with either in the sense of nishkrantah jarayaha or in the sense of nirgata jarayasmatsaha. So we get this nirjara word. Now what happens? This nirjara, in this word, this jara word is ending with a. This a is of ap pratyaya. Ap pratyaya is stri pratyaya. Okay, keep this. In the jara shabda, there is ap pratyaya. Ap is a stri pratyaya. Okay. Now, this nirjara shabda has come in the sense of that which is there in the masculine gender. Nishkrantah jarayah yah sah. That's how it goes. That person is being discussed. Then here also, nirgata jarayasmat sah. Now this nirjara at the end is talking about someone who is masculine gender, who is in masculine gender. So the coined word is nirjara. Now in order to make it masculine gender, what happens? This akaranta turns into akara. There is one rule, go striyo rupasarjanasya. Means go shabda and stri pratyanta shabda, they will become hrasva. So nirjara akara will turn into akara. Nirjara. Right? Nirjara will turn into nirjara. I will mention the sutra. So further it is mentioned later. Means here I have mentioned it. Here it is. The gostriyo upasarjanasya. What this sutra does it? This upasarjanam, because these terms are not familiar. Upasarjanam. That's why I have not mentioned, because upasarjana saudhnya happens. That upasarjana saudhnya is supposed to be explained, but later it's forget. Just remember that this particular sutra turns that stri pratyanta shabda into hrasva, means it makes the last vowel to go in the hrasva format of its own. So now nirjara was there. A is the stri pratyaya. Ap is stri pratyaya. This a in the nirjara word is of that ap which is stri pratyaya. That will turn into hrasva, and nirjara will become nirjara. This nirjara will become nirjara. I will write sutra. Okay. Now this much is clear now, how this jara and nir, these two words are coming together in two different senses, but at the end they are talking about that one who is in the masculine gender. That's why gostriyo rupasarjanasya this sutra comes, and that the new word which was nirjara turns that nirjara into nirjara. Correct? So now Now see the journey of this nirjara, how it has started. Earlier that there was only jara shabda. Jara came in the contact with nir. Then we got nirjara. Then we got nirjara. So it has gone through a lot of changes. Okay. Now at the end, what has become to that jara shabda? It has turned into jara. Jara has become now jara. And yet one more thing is, it is not just single or independent word, but it is connected with nir. These two things we have to remember. One is what? It is not in its original form, and second is it is not independent. It is connected with another word. Okay. Now, no independence plus no original form. These two defects are there in this nirjara, this jara shabda, which is there in this nirjara. Okay. Those two defects we have to remember. One is no more independent. It is a part of another word. Together it is becoming, and it is not an original form. Ji?
No, Ji, I just said it is not original form.
Yeah. So these two things we have to remember. Now let's come to the main prakriya. Now nirjara is ordinary word, akaranta. It is pullinga. Now we are supposed to decline it. That's it. Okay. Now how will we decline? Just like Rama Shabda. As we decline Rama Shabda, Rama plus Su will come. Then the ukara will disappear. Upadeshe janunasika it tasya lopaha. Sa will remain. Then Rama sa. Then sasayusho ruhu. Padantasya sasya sayu shabdasya cha ruhusya. Nirjararu. Okay, nirjararu. Again that ukara will disappear by upadeshe janunasika it. Nirjarar. Then refa will turn into visarga because of kharvasana or visarjaniya. Khari avasanecha. Nirjarar after nirjarar. There is nothing. Then nirja raha. Phrase kharvasana or visarjaniya. That refa turned into visarga. Now again, just it's kind of small revision, but good revision. Now nirjara plus au. Nirjara plus au. What will happen? Akara is getting followed by au. Vruddhirechi was prapta. Okay. Ad echi pare vruddhi ekadeshasya purvaparayo. So akara is there and it is getting followed by the h pratyahara letter, which is au. Then vruddhi was prapta, but then the sutra came. What? Prathamayoho purva savarnaha. Prathamayoho purva savarnaha. It says that akaha, ak pratyahara letters, they will get purva savarna dirgha when they are getting connected with what? Prathama vibhakti pratyayas. So here it is prathama and dvitiya vibhakti pratyayas. This is prathama and dvitiya vibhakti pratyaya au. Here purva savarna dirgha was prapta. Nirjara plus au in this situation, a plus au. A would have come, but it was stopped by nadichi. Ayoho purva savarna purva savarna प्राप्ते नादिचि इति सन्निषेधः. नादिचि says though the prathamayo purva savarna dirgha sutra says that in the case of prathama and dvitiya vibhakti pratyayas purva savarna dirgha will take place. Here it will not take place when it is anga is akaranta and pratyaya is ich. Pratyaya is beginning with ich pratyahara letter. So of course au comes in the ich, and anga is akaranta. So the purva savarna dirgha does not take place, and what happens? Vruddhirechi, again the vruddhirechi gets the free way, and again vruddhirechi only gets applied. Nirbadha vruddhi. So what do we get? Final form nirjarav. Nirjaraha, nirjarav. Then next one is nirjara plus jas. Nirjara plus jas. Here nirjara plus as. Pratamayoho purva savarnaha, that takes place. So nirjaras. Purva savarna dirgha takes place, and then final form the sa turns into rutva sasavishoruhu, then refa turns into visarga, kravasanair visarjaniya nirjaraha. Then nirjara plus which sutra is applied here? Can you guess? Pratamayo purva savarnaha, akasavarne dirgha, pratamayo purva savarna dirgha, then one special sutra is applied here. Today there is no Prachiti ji. No one is there. I don't know. Only two of you are there. Ji? I could not hear you properly.
Ami.
Correct. Ami purvaha. Akaha amyachi parataha purva rupam ekadesha. Purva rupa ekadesha. What happens? Aka later is getting followed by is starting with ach. So that which begins with ach, when it is in front of ak, then purva savarna dirgha takes place, and just nirjaram happens. Nothing. The dirgha savarna, the purva savarna, prathamayo purva savarna dirgha does not take place. Just purva rupa takes place. So final form nirjaram and ami purvaha. Ami purva is the sutra. Then again nirjara plus out. What will happen? Okay, your voice is not audible. Maybe some network issue is there. But the same prakriya takes place. What? First the vruddhirechi comes. Then vruddhirechi was stopped by prathamayoho purva savarna. Purva savarna dirgha was prapta. So first au was happening. Prathamayoho purva savarna comes and it says that no, purva savarna dirgha do. Then nadichi comes and it says that if anga is akaranta and it is ich, then the purva savarna dirgha will not take place, and thus the vruddhirechi only is applied. We get again nirjarav. Nirjaraha, nirjarav, nirjaraha, nirjaram, nirjarav. Then nirjara plus shas. This is the situation. Shas pratyay is there. Nirjara is the anga. Anga is akaranta. Shakara gets its saudhnya by lashakva tadhite. Pratyayadyaha la sha ka. So kavarga varnaha. So the pratyaya which begins with la or sha or ka varga letter, that la sha and ka varga letter gets its saudhnya. Once it is its saudhnyaka, then it gets disappeared by tasya lopah. We get again as. Nirjara plus as. Here again, the akasyavarni dirgha is prapta. Then again prathamayoho purva savarnaha. This sutra comes and it says that purva savarna dirgha will happen. Okay. Now purva savarna dirgha happens. Both of them disappear and then akam. Nirjaras. That's what we say. Now nirjaras, in this situation, what happens? Next sutra comes. What? Tasmat chaso napunsi. Tasmat chaso napunsi. Once we have done the purva savarna dirgha, after that purva savarna dirgha, if it is the prakriya is going on for masculine gender, and in masculine gender we have done the purva savarna dirgha sandhi, then only that sakara of shas pratyaya turns into nakara. Nirjara plus as Rashakwa Tadhite Tasya Lopaha. Then Nirjara. Then I will separate this. So here Prathamayoho Purva Savarna is applied. Jar. This is Purva Savarna Dirgha. Then Sa. Now, here, Krita Purva Savarna Dirghat. Once you have done the Purva Savarna Dirgha Adesha, then after that, Shasaha Sasya Naha Syat. The Sakara of Shas Pratyaya will get replaced by Na. And then, thus we get Nirja, Ra, Ha, and then Na. What is the sutra? This is the sutra. And then final answer Nirjaran. Again, the Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachana Pratyaya is Nirjara plus Ta. Ta is replaced by Ina by Tanga Saminatsyaha. Nirjara plus Ina. Sutra is when I am writing Prakriya, so if possible means, of course, try to write it down in the notebook, okay? Because that will be, this repetition is abhyasa going on. So go on writing as this Prakriya I am writing here. Nirjara plus Ina. Ta gets replaced by Ina when Akaranta Anga is there. Anga should be Akaranta. So Nirjara Ina. Then Gunasandhi takes place. Nirjarena Adgunaha. Then Nirjarena, final form is Nirjarena. Sutra is at Wang Num Vyava Yepi. At Kupang Num Vyava Yepi. Nirjarena. Now, Nirja plus which sutra is applied here? One sutra is applied. जी I will tell. Here the Supicha Sutra is applied. Nirjara becomes Nirjara and then Bhyam. Supicha Sutra. When there is Supratyaya, then that Akaranta Anga turns into Akaranta. And then final form is found. Nirjarabhyam. Nirjarabhyam. Then Nirjara plus this. Ato bhisa ice. Nirjara plus ice. Bhisa. Then there is Akaranta Anga and there is bis pratyaya in front of it. Bis turns into ice. Nirja rice we get. Nirja rice. Then Nirja rai ru. Sa turns into ru. What? Sa sajuho ru. Then Nirja rair. Chanunasika it. Then final form we get Nirjaraihi. Sutra is Karava Ana Yor Visarjaniyaha. Nirjaraihi. Next one is Nirjara plus Nge. Adantat Angat Nge hai Yasyat. So Ngeryaha Sutra is applied. Nirjara plus Ya. Sutra is Ngeryaha. Adantadangat the Ra plus Ya here, Ra becomes A. Nirjara plus Ya. Nirjaraya. Again, final form is Nirjaraya. Bahuvachan, the Dvivachan is Nirjarabhyam. Just Supicha Sutra we have to apply. Then Nirjara plus Bhyas. Nirjara plus Bhyas. Here Bahuvachane Jhalyati Sutra, we have to remember Nirjare Bhyas. Jhaladav Bahuvachane. Bahuvachana Pratyaya, Bahuvachana Supratyaya, Bahuvachana Supratyaya. That sup which begins with Jhal Pratyahara letter. Jhal. Jha bha khadha dha jab agadha khapa chadha chadha kapa shakasa ha. So jab bha is included in jhal. So pratyaya should be of sup plus it should begin with jhal pratyahara letter. Then akaranta anga turns into ekaranta. Nirjara becomes nirjare. Sutra is bahuvachane yet. Then we get Nirjarebhya sa Nirjarebhyaru Ruho Ruhu Nirjarebhyar Nirjarebhya Savasanayor Visarjaniyaha. That is the final form. Then again Nirjara प्लस ngasi पंचमी विभक्ति एकवचन प्रत्यय निर्जर प्लस अस ng disappears लशक्व तद्धिते तस्य लोपः. Nirjara, sorry, no need of doing this because before that itself the sutra comes. The at it gets replaced by at. Sutra is ta si sa minat syaha. Sa minat syaha sutra comes and it makes that ngasi to get replaced by at. We do just savarna dirgha sandhi and we get nirjarat. Nirjarat. निर्जराभ्याम सुपिच निर्जरेभ्यः बहुवचने झल्येत सेम एज चतुर्थी विभक्ति बहुवचन प्रत्यय बहुवचन रूप निर्जरेभ्यः सूत्रे बहुवचने झल्येत. Then nirjara plus ngas. In this situation, ngas is replaced by sya. Sutra is tang asya saminat syaha. Nirjara plus sya. Sutra is tang asya saminat syaha. That's it. That is the final form. Nirjarasya. Nirjarasya. Now again. Nirjara plus os. Sutra comes. Sutra. The osicha sutra is applied here. Bahuvachane jhalyet osicha. Then angi. No, not angi. Yeah, angi chapah. Angi chapah. These three sutras are one after the other. All of them, what do? They turn that akaranta anga into ekaranta. So nirjara akaranta anga turns into ekaranta by osicha nirjare. Then os. Sutra is osicha. Remember this sutra comes after bahuvachane jhalye. So jhaladav bahuvachane supi pare akarantasya ekarantatvam syat. Then ओसी परे अकारांतस्य एकारांत. अगेन आंगी चापः आंगी परे सति ओसी परे सति आबंतस्य एकारांतत्वं स्यात्. That's how it goes. The vrittis you can make like this. Now here the ayadi adesha sandhi takes place. Nirjara, we will separate first a and then os for the sake of understanding. A plus o here. एचो यवायावः अचिपरे एचः अय अव आय आव एते आदेशः स्युः. So निर्जर I plus O and then sa is there. Sutra is एचो यवायावः. एचो यवायावः. Then निर्जर योस. Nirjarayos. Nirjarayoru. Then Nirjayor. Upadeshe Jano Nasika. Then the final form Nirjarayoho. By Karavasanayor Sarjaniyaha. Nirjarayoho. Then Nirjara plus am pratyaya. Hrasvan adhyapo nut agama happens. Nirjara and then nut and then am. because it is tit, therefore adyantau takitau tit kitau yasyoktau tasya adyantau avayavau stha. Now nut is said to come to this am, so it will become the adi bhaga of am. So hrasva nadyapo hraswanta, anga should be hraswanta or nadyanta. Nadi is one of the saudhnya, then abanta, or it should end with ab. So here it is ending with hrasva, therefore nut comes to am. Then we get nirja plus na, ta disappears, u disappears, then am. Here is halantyam nirjara, and then na. This is the situation, nirjara nam, because na has become the initial part of am. Here we have to remember. Now nami, one more sutra comes, nami, nirjara, and then nam, that akara becomes nirjara, becomes nirjara. Nam, phrase nami. When there is nam, this particular situation in front of anga, then that ajanta anga becomes dirgha, nirjara nam. Then nirjara nam. Sutra is at kup wang num vyavaye pi. At kup wang num vyavaye pi. Nirjara nam. Okay. Now षष्ठी सप्तमी भक्ति एक वचनम निर्जर प्लस नि, निर्जर प्लस ई लशक्व तद्धिते. Then nothing, just guna sandhi takes place. Final form we get nirjare. Sutra is ad guna. Now nirjara plus os, again osicha sutra is applied, akarantanga becomes ekaranta. Nirjare plus os, sutra is osicha. Remember, this osicha sutra comes after bahuvachane jhalyet. Then nirjare ayadi adesha takes place. First we will separate o, then sa, then nirjar I o sa. Ayadi adesha take place. Echo yavayavah nirjarayos. Then nirjarayoru. Sutra is sa sajuho ru. Nirjarayor upadeshe janu nasika it. Then ra turns into visarga. Final answer nirjarayoho ravasanayor niyah. Then nirjara plus sup, nirjara plus su halantyam. Halantyam antyam hal, upadeshantyam hal itsyat. So last pa gets its savnya, and then tasya lopaha, that gets disappeared. Then we get nirjara plus su. In this situation, bahuvachane jhalyet is applied. That turns into a by bahuvachane jhalyet. Jhaladau bahuvachane झलादौ सुपिपरे झलादौ बहुवचने सुपिपरे अदन्ताङ्गस्य एकारः स्यात् thus that akara turns into ekara nirjare su in this nirjare su here one sutra is applied nirjare su what adesha प्रत्यययोः आदेशात्मक प्रत्यय अवयवात्मकः. So it should be either has come in the form of adesha or it should be a avayava or part of pratyaya. Then it turns into murdhanya shakara or murdhanya adesha comes on the place of it. The reason is in kubhyam parasya. Before that, there should be in pratyahara letter. So here it is a which is in pratyahara letter, and that's why sa turns into sha murdhanya. That becomes our final answer. Nirjara plus su of that sambodhana. Nirjara plus sa. Jannaskait. Now here what happens? Sa is named as aprukta saudhnya. It gets aprukta saudhnya, and it is named as sambuddhi also. So two saudhnyas are assigned to sa. That sa gets disappeared. In hrasvat sambuddhehe. hrasvat sambuddhe. Sambuddhehe sakarah lupyate. When it is getting preceded by enganta anga or hrasvanta anga. Here it is hrasvanta anga. Therefore, that disappears. He nirjara. That's how the final form becomes. He nirjara. That he is just for the sake of indication that it is sambodhana. Otherwise, just nirjara. Then nirjaro and nirjaraha. Dvivachana and bahuvachana are same as we did for prathama vibhakti. Nirjara plus au. Nirjaro. What happens? Vruddhirechi comes, gets stopped by pratamayoh purva savarna. That also is removed by nadichi. Again vruddhirechi is applied and we get nirjarau form. Then nirjara plus jas. Nirjaraha. Nothing again. Prathamayoh purva savarna takes place and we get nirjaras. Sa turns into ru. Sasalsho ruhu. And then refa turns into visarga. Karvasana or visarjaniya. Nirjaraha. Okay. That's how we get the form. So we declined whole nirjara shabda as akaranta pullinga shabda. So remember here I will in short we will summarize that. Now first I will write here su just out just is yes nasi yes us ni, us, sup. These are our pratyas. Here. Now the same pratyas, when we connected them with nirjara shabda, we got the shabda aha, nirjarau, nirjaraha, nirjaram, nirjarau, nirjaran, nirjarena, nirjarabhyam, nirjarebhyah, nirjaraihi, nirjaraaya, nirjarabhyam, nirjarebhyah, nirjarat, nirjarabhyam, nirjarasya, nirjayoho, nirjarana, nirjare, nirjarayoho, nirjaretu, nirjara, nirja, nirjaraha. That's how we got formed. Just we will remove this sambodhana because we don't need for now. Okay, we only this much for prakriya. Then later we will add. These are the pratyayas and this is the akaranta pullinga shabda when it is declined. Okay, now among these all 21 pratyayas, what are the ajadi pratyayas? So we will remove the anubandha and we will see here. Sa, au, as. Au, as. A, is. A, yam, yes. As, yam, yes. As, os, am. E, os, and then su. These are the ajadi pratyayas. Dvitiya Vibhakti, all pratyayas. Then Tritiya Vibhakti Ekvachana, Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekvachana, Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachana, Shashti Vibhakti all, Saptami Vibhakti Ekvachana and Dvivachana pratyayas are ajadi pratyayas. Correct? So what is excluded? Just Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan, Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Dvivachan, Bahuvachan pratyayas are excluded. Elsewhere, all the pratyayas are ajadi pratyayas. Now, what we are supposed to do? When these pratyayas are there in front of this nirjara shabda, that time replace that nirjara shabda optionally by nirjaras. That is the word. Okay. So here it will go nirjarau. So just replace nirjaras by nirjara by nirjaras. Nirjarasau. That's what we will get from. Just a second. One more. Then here also nirjaraha, here we will get nirjarasaha. Nirjaram, nirjarasam. Nirjarau, nirjarasau. Nirjaran, nirjarasaha. Nirjarena, nirjarasa. Then nirjaraya, nirjarase. Nirjarat, nirjarasaha. Then nirjarasaha. Then ya soho. Nirjaranam, nirjarasam. Nirjare, nirjarasi. Nirjarayoho, nirjarasoho. Nirjareho. These are the places where we have got extra form. By which sutra? Jaraya, Jarasanyatarasya. Correct. सप्तमी विभक्ति, प्रथम विभक्ति एक वचन, तृतीय विभक्ति, चतुर्थी विभक्ति, पंचमी विभक्ति द्विवचन, बहुवचन. These forms are as Rama Shabda. Now, just come to the original point. Jaraya Jarasanyatarasyam tells replace Jara by Jaras. But we had Nirjara Shabda we had, which has actually come from Nirjara. Nirjara. From that we have got Nirjara. Okay, but Nirjara also has come from Nir plus Jara. Nir plus Jara, we got Nirjara. Nirjara turned into Nirjara. We just replaced Jara part of that Nirjara by Jaras. But originally what was said, that Jara should get replaced by Jaras. Correct, that was the Adesh. Jarayaha Jarasanyatarasyam. It has not said that Nirjarayaha Jarasanyatarasyam or Nirjarasya Jarasanyatarasyam. It has clearly said Jarayaha Jarasanyatarasyam. Jara will get replaced by Jaras. But what did we do? We took that Jara part of Nirjara and we replaced and we formed this Nirjaraha, Nirjaram, Nirjarasav, Nirjaraha, Nirjarasaha, Nirjarasam, Nirjaram, Nirjarasam. That's how the optional forms with Ajati Vibhaktis. But few problems are there. Those problems will occur. Those barriers will not allow us to change this Jara into Jaras. Now, how to bring that Jaras on the place of this Jara which has come from Jara? Okay, originally it was Jara, but it has become now Jara. How to bring Jaras on the place of Jara also? That is being mentioned by these three paribhasha. These three paribhashas are required. Applying after these three paribhashas, we get chance to replace, or we get a path to replace this even Jara into Jaras. So it is not that straightforward to change that jara into jaras. There were some problems. To remove those problems, these three paribhashas are mentioned. Okay, that is the main work of those three paribhashas. Nothing, just jara is getting replaced by jaras. As jara is getting replaced by jaras, we want jara also to get replaced by jaras. Now, how to bring that? That is mentioned by these three paribhashas. Okay, that's what we are going to see in these three paribhashas. In short, I will tell the meaning of these three paribhashas. Then we will stop here and we will see in the details in the next class. Okay. So, padangadhikare tasya cha tadantasya cha. There is one adhikara, pada adhikara is there. Padat, that's how the adhikara, padasya, that's how the adhikara starts. Then there is another adhikara, padat also. So padasya, this adhikara starts. In that adhikara, whatever is mentioned. Next, angadhikara, angasya, there is another adhikara. In this adhikara, in these two adhikaras, whatever is mentioned, that will happen to that particular word, as well as when that word is there at the end of another word. Work will happen. Now, jara was asked to be replaced by jaras, correct? So, when that jara is there separately, it will turn into jaras. True. So, when there is jara at the end of another word, there also this work will happen. Who says this? Padangadhikare tasya cha tadantasya. Now, what will happen? By applying this paribhasha, whole nirjara will get replaced by jaras. In order to remove that problem, next paribhasha comes and it says that nirdishyamanasya adesha bhavanti. Adesha will happen to only that part which is being mentioned in the sutra and not additional part. So jara is mentioned in the sutra, not nirjara. Therefore, though by saying padangadhikare tasya cha tadantasya work was coming to whole nirjara shabda, it just happens to the only jara part. Again, now third problem occurs. That is also fine. Fine. So far we have got that jara will get replaced by jaras, and even that jara will get replaced by jaras when it is at the end of another word. That is also fine. Again, whole word will not get replaced by jaras, but only jara part will get replaced by jaras by nirdishyamanasya adesha bhavanti. That is also clear. But at the end, we have some different form only. Nirjara shabda. Jara is there, not jara. And also it is at the end of something else. So then next paribhasha comes and it says that ekadesha vikrutam ananyavat. Ekadesha vikrutam anyavat na bhavati. That is the meaning. Anyavat na bhavati, ananyavat bhavati. Jara was turned into jara. By turning jara into jara, jara means nothing, is not bringing something else or some different meaning. It is again jara word only. Ekadesha vikrutam ananyavat shabda says that, see, this is Narayan having 10 fingers. Tomorrow if one finger is cut, doesn't mean that now he is no more Narayana. He is now something else. No, Narayana remains Narayana only by removing one anguli or even one hand. So Ekadesha Vikruta, the Ekadesha of Narayana is Vikruta. Earlier there was finger, now there is no more finger. Now Narayana is Ekadeshena Vikruta. He is distorted by one part. Now even if it is distorted, yet it is book only. If one page is torn, book does not become notebook. Book remains book only. So that is the meaning of Ekadesha Vikrutam Ananyavat. So though we have turned jara into jara, yet it is jara only, and therefore do the work told by jaraya jarasanyatarsya. Jara gets replaced by jaras, and we get all these forms. So these three paribhashas again in detail we will see in the next class. So so far whatever we have seen, it is clear.
Yes, it is clear.
Okay. So we will do Shanti Pata. We will stop here and we will continue in the next class. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। हरि ओम स्वामी। हरि ओम।